Hi. 7 things to keep in mind while searching for a home for long-term stay in Himalayas, whether it be Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand or Jammu Kashmir. Right? We spent nearly 2.5 months staying here, living our dream of living in Himalayas, and we spent close to 1.5 months to search the best home to stay. So from our experiences, we are sharing with you the 7 insights we have that may help you find the best home so that you don't regret later on. So let's start the video. Right now on the screen, you will see the 7 pointers listed all together. Now we will go in depth of each pointer to understand how and why they are important. Here we go. Starting with the first point. Point 1. What you see in front of you is a Bukhari, the heating system using wood in Himalayas. This is highly recommended to have in your homes. Depending upon where you finally put up yourself in these Himalayas, the temperatures in winter can range here from 0 degrees Celsius to minus 10-15 degrees Celsius. And this amount of winter cold cannot be bypassed using just a room heater, no matter how good the room heater be. So don't believe in those who sell you the home that say that a heater will suffice. Heater may not suffice for winters here. A local friend of mine here says, "Bhai, heater यहाँ पे fail है. Heater fails in this weather and in these conditions." So look for a home which have Bukharis so that you can pass the winters easily without requiring to have a blanket 24/7 on your body always. Point number 2. Don't forget to look for fans in the home. Every year, summers are getting hotter and hotter in Himalayas. You might need fan. Now, if you have a fan, you can use it. If you don't have it, what to do? So look for fans in the home. Point number 3. If possible, search for homes before March or after August. You might ask, why so? Well, because that is the peak tourist season in the Himalayas. And due to it being a tourist season, the demand is high and as such, the supply is less. So you will find high prices everywhere. Also, the vacancies will be less. So it's better that if possible, look for homes outside the tourist season. Point number 4. Don't fall for tourist prices. 15k to 25k is a very decent budget for a 2 BHK homes in Himalayas. Those who quote beyond 25k are looking for ultra rich folks who need a second vacation home. Don't fall for it. So I would suggest that try to negotiate and let the owner know that you are going to stay for a long term, a committed long term stay, and with negotiations you can get a good decent home within this budget range of 15 to 25k. That's the pointer 4. Point number 5. Search outside main cities and hotspots. Places like Kulu and Manali in Himachal Pradesh are extremely commercialized. You don't even feel that original authentic Himalayan vibes there. Instead, avoid them totally. Go to remote valleys and villages, nearby villages. In fact, on Kulu Manali highway, just one highway, you will find there are dozens of small villages coming at every few kilometers, and each village has dozens of homestays. It is on these homestays that you will be able to find a good price, an authentic Himalayan vibe, and living close to nature feelings. Point number 6. Take time to finalize. Book any homestay temporarily for 1 month that falls in the center of, let's say, multiple villages nearby. From there on, every day you can go out and search for a home to stay for a longer term. In our case, we made Nagar our center for the search. We came here to book the temporary homestay and then went out to search for homes every day for close to 1 month. Point number 7. How to search, right? How to search for homes. I have 3 three pointers for you. One is OLX, second is Google Maps, and third is me. So starting with OLX. On OLX, you can find a lot of homes are listed for rent and you can contact them. The contact number is available. You can even chat with them and discuss more about it. We ourselves use OLX to find our first home here. Second is Google Maps. The place you are narrowing down, let's say it be Nagar, right? Or let's say it be any place in Himachal, Uttarakhand or Jammu Kashmir. Just zoom into that place and you will find that a lot of homestays are listed on Google Maps, even with contact number and chat options. So you can continue your search just using Google Maps as well. Third option. Now, since I have been here and I have experienced a lot of homes nearby, I know many homestays too. You can consider me as well as a resource. Put down into comments your search and I will be glad to help you. And yes, there is no brokerage in between. मैं दलाली नहीं करने वाला. This is a free help from a friend to a friend. That's the third way. Now, since you've been here till the last point of the video, I have two extra pointers for you that you should be cautious about. And those are these. Pointer 1. Clarity on voltage. You see, you might come across some homes that are in OR charts that you might be interested to live for long term. Now, for such homes, there is an issue that electricity might be coming far away from it, and that too without poles supporting them. As a result, lot of them have a low voltage issues. Go there and see if 4-5 heavy electrical appliances can be started at the same time and the load is bearable or not. Low voltage can hamper a lot of issues with long-term stay. This is a thing to take in mind. Now moving on to second pointer. Second pointer is clarity on electricity and gas. For electricity, consider asking whether the home has same meter being shared with the owner or not. Why? Because if the meter is separate, there are some additional benefits you may get. For example, in Himachal Pradesh, 125 units of electricity consumed in a month is free. If you consume 126th unit of electricity, then you need to pay the bill of entire 126 units. So if the meter is separate, you get free 125 units of electricity. That also get it cleared with your owner. On gas part, so be assured about it that you will have a supply of gas cylinders available at your home. That is important if you are going to stay for long term. How will you cook? Because everything cannot be worked on a stove that is run by electric, like electric stove. So ask and be clear about that. So these were the two additional pointers, and thank you for watching this video. I hope my video helps you in finding the best home to fulfill your dream of living in Himalayas just the way we are living. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like our content, do consider subscribing. We also bring a lot of content about exploration in this Himalayas of authentic Himachal vibes and the nature that is all around here. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.